Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and connecting them correctly. On Android, enable developer options and set USB mode to file transfer. On iPhone, choose Trust this computer when prompted. Use an original or data-capable USB cable so the phone enumerates as storage rather than only charging. Once connected, unlock the phone and accept permission dialogues. This ensures the computer can see media and files. Make sure your computer has available Drive letter or Finder window open, so you can begin moving files immediately. Once the phone is visible to your computer, mount it as a media device or drive. On Windows, open File Explorer and expand the phone. On Mac OS, use Finder or the appropriate app. Navigate to internal storage or SD card, create folders for organization, and drag and drop files just like a USB drive. For large transfers, use batches to avoid timeouts and watch the transfer progress. If speed matters, copy critical files first. Make sure not to interrupt the cable during active writes to prevent corruption. Finish by safely ejecting the phone from the computer before unplugging to protect files. Use the system eject command or unmount in Finder. If the phone is not detected, check the cable and port first, then toggle USB mode between file transfer, MTP, or PTP as needed. If problems persist, restart both devices and on Windows reinstall or update the device drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: try a known good data cable and a different USB port. Most failures trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.